Welcome. Today, we'll write a JavaScript program that multiplies every digit of a number by itself 3 times, basically cubing each digit, and then concatenates these results. This is a fun way to manipulate digits individually using JavaScript, string and array methods. Let's get started and see how it works. We first want to take each digit in the number and cube it, and then combine all these cubes into a new number. For instance, the digit 6 cubed is 216, so 66 becomes 216216. This approach breaks down a number digit by digit, processes each, and reconstructs the final value. We first convert the number into a string so we can work with each digit individually. Using the spread operator, we then create an array of characters. We map each digit to its cube and then join the results into a string. And finally, we convert it back to a number. This chain of methods makes the code concise and easy to understand. The input number becomes a string to access each digit. The array mapping cubes every digit and joining reconstructs the output string. Finally, converting the string back into a number gives us the desired output. Here, we break down the inputs to see how each digit's cubes are formed. Repeated digits repeat their cubes accordingly. This kind of digit-wise transformation is very useful in puzzles, coding challenges, and understanding JavaScript's array and string functions much better. We've created a neat function to cube each digit of a number and join the results. This technique combines multiple JavaScript features for a concise solution. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.